pleasure to have you, Vaishali ji, Aditi here. What do you have to say about this beautiful initiative that Kemaya has started with Satyan Saab?
Uh, okay. Uh, Congratulations, Kimea, and the entire team. I'm surprised. I don't know what to say. The expressions kids are giving through their paintings is something makes us think the work is beyond their age actually. So surprise is the main emotion right now I have. I'm so happy. Thank you, Kimaya, for calling me here and surprising me with all this amazing work. When you have a person like him to, line up your thought process, and I think very important thing, the social cause for which you all are doing this makes it more special. I'm so happy that I don't want to call them kids, artists of this age. I will not call them kids. Yeah, coming artists are putting their energy and soul into creating something which is very important. Keeping their phones, keeping their social media away. They are engaging into something very positive, and it's very important right now. I think all should come and see what they have done and encourage them. Kimaya, all the best dear. I can see future artists in them. मेरी भाषा में कहूँ तो बहुत सुंदर गाने बने हैं यहाँ पे. At the end of the day, every creation, every creation, I connected with the song. So they have composed beautiful songs, beautiful compositions, and I wish them a great success and awesome future. Thank you.
Aditi, your thoughts?
Well, so I completely second everything that she said, and I feel like in this exhibition I have seen such beautiful pieces of art, each art different than the other. It's like I didn't see anything which is the same or similar even. Everything is different. It tells you a lot about, the thought process and, about the children and what they've done, about the artists especially. And mainly I think it's not just an exhibition, but it's because it's for such a noble cause. I understand that it is also a gesture of compassion from their side and a symbol of hope. Hope that we will have this generation of artists also reaching out to the underprivileged or reaching out to people who need that kind of help, because it's for such a noble cause. And this kind of exhibition and this kind of work should inspire others also to come forward and, raise funds for such a noble cause in such a beautiful manner, where they're also using their talent in such an effective manner. And I think all the credit goes to the teachers for their guidance. And it's not possible. All of us have a lot of talent, but to be able to unlock that and to be able to bring that out, it's only possible through the guidance and the motivation of the teachers. So yes, I would like to appreciate that, and of course the parents for supporting their talent, their potential, and they should be very proud. We're all very proud of Kimaya. Thank you, sir, and it's an honor to be here and witness such beautiful piece of art. I mean, I'm not an artist, so for me, I don't know where this. If I'm looking at a painting, I don't know where they started from, and I'm wondering, like, did he decide what he wants to do first, then decide the colors, then do this, then do that, and it's like so much goes into it. There's so much thought. We're looking at the final piece, but a lot of effort, time, and thought has gone into it. So congratulations to everyone. And thank you so much once again for having me here.
Thank you. We can't let you go without singing a song. 2 lines of any song.
वेट यहाँ के माहौल को सूट करने वाला. रंगों के ऊपर कुछ होना चाहिए यार.
बिल्कुल.
Wait, suggest which song you want me to sing to. Okay. मुझे एक मेरी गज़ल याद आ रही है. जिसका शूट बहुत कलरफुल हुआ है। इस तरह मेरी मोहब्बत का असर हो जाए, मैं तुझे याद करूं, तुझको खबर हो जाए। इस तरह मेरी मोहब्बत का असर हो जाए। थैंक यू।
Wow.
It was nice.
Thank you.